A security architect must guarantee that current and upcoming Amazon S3 buckets within a production AWS account remain inaccessible to the public. Developers have frequently updated bucket policies and access control lists to allow public read access for debugging, which violates corporate security standards. The goal is to determine the most efficient approach to globally block public access across the entire account, ensuring that these settings override any individual bucket-level permissions.
Let's review the options. Option A. Apply the S3 block public access configurations at the account level via the AWS console or CLI. Option B. Apply an IAM permissions boundary to all developer identities that explicitly denies the S3.putBucket policy and S3.putBucketACL permissions. Option C. Implement an AWS config rule with automated remediation to remove any S3 bucket policy containing a wildcard principal. Option D. Set up an Amazon CloudFront distribution in front of all S3 buckets and enforce signed URLs for incoming client requests.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. Amazon S3 Block Public Access is a powerful feature that allows you to manage public access at the account, bucket, or object level. By enabling this at the account level, you ensure that every bucket, whether existing or newly created, remains private. This configuration acts as a guardrail that effectively overrides any individual bucket policies, access control lists, or object settings that might otherwise expose data.
Looking at the other options, option B is insufficient because it only targets developer identities, failing to account for other IAM entities or pre-existing public configurations. Option C is reactive rather than preventative, as it relies on detecting non-compliance before triggering remediation. Finally, option D describes an architectural pattern for content delivery, not a security mechanism meant to prevent public exposure. A key exam tip is to prioritize native account-level guardrails for security.